Here's your STORMTracker weather forecast with meteorologist Mike Hurd.
A little bit of a tricky travel day, especially this morning around southwest Montana, around the entire region. This was just outside the KBZK studios on Huffine this morning. This was an accident, a pretty serious one, with no injuries reported from Park County on I-90 this morning as well. And I did hear reports of slide-offs and accidents on I-15 south of Helena this morning here too. So this time of the year, typically you can see just about anything as far as moisture types of precipitation, especially in the month of late March and early April, then again in October and into early November. So in any given day you could see rain, freezing rain, sleet, and in snow. And what really complicates things is when you're traveling when the roads are wet, you can run into pockets of black ice on the roadways. And that was a little bit of a scenario here this morning, and it can be extremely hard to spot on roadways because they're wet, and air temperatures were hovering just above freezing this morning, but the roads were wet, but some of those stretches of road ended up being a little bit on the icy side first thing this morning. And the reason is we got this deep trough of low pressure sitting here, and a lot of cold air is being pumped down into Montana, down in the bottom of this trough. Then on the exit side is this slow moving area low pressure. So because of the slow movement of that storm, everything that's building behind it is also moving very slowly. So this next Pacific weather maker will start to bring a little bit of a dose of warmer air tomorrow, which is a good thing, but we have a cold front that will be moving in Saturday evening and into Sunday morning, and that's going to trigger another round of wet weather. Still isolated stray showers and a little bit of mountain snow parading around southwest Montana right now, and our forecast model shows that'll begin to clear out after sunset and especially after midnight. Now tomorrow starts off partly cloudy, but tomorrow afternoon here comes the next storm system, and by Sunday morning we got a front passing through, so increasing clouds, wind, and a shower or flurry is likely for the valley floor Saturday night into Sunday morning. But most of our mountains and passes have the best chance for picking up some minor snow accumulations, so this does bring the chance for some icing on roadways Sunday morning, Sunday evening, and into Monday morning as well. Right now temperatures are fair. We're looking at some cool 30s and 40s here locally, closer to 50 in Missoula, but there are some low 50s up here in the east northeast corner of Montana. So the numbers are still slightly cooler than normal for this time of the year, but just by a few. So you can see teens and 20s are in there for overnight lows under partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, trying to warm up into the upper 40s and lower 50s in the afternoon. Winds will be fairly light. Now, as you move south and east, we're still expecting a few spotty snow showers, but turning partly cloudy after midnight, and that'll allow temperatures to bottom out down there in the pretty cold teens and lower 20s. But that transitions back up into the 40s and 50s throughout the day for tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be the better weather day for outdoor fun. Sunday, not all day, Bozeman, but we will pick up a chance, especially in the morning, for some rain or snow. Then it's an off and on chance for precipitation Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But here comes some good news. Right before the long holiday weekend, you could see temperatures in the mid 50s to low 60s, and that's a little bit of a boost for Butte. Again, fair weather Saturday, but we'll pick up a chance for some off and on wet weather Sunday through Wednesday, and then a warming trend kicking off on Thursday. Dillon, a low probability of moisture tomorrow, slight chance on Sunday, off and on rain or snow into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but closer to 60 degrees this time next week. And same for West Yellowstone. Fair looking day tomorrow, but off and on wet weather is possible starting Sunday through Wednesday, and then start trying to get you back up in the lower 50s by this time next week.
All right, thank you, Mike.
Nick Petriccioni joins us now.
Well, we're going to Bozeman track where we talk to a state champion long jumper looking to defend.